Excess foaming can grind your maintenance tasks to a halt, delay your current job, and all of your jobs scheduled afterward. That lost time translates into decreased production and a loss of revenue. This problem can be easily avoided with Foam Break Concentrated Carpet Defoamer. This user-friendly solution can be used in a wide range of carpet cleaning and industrial cleaning equipment, including extraction cleaners, automatic scrubbers, steam cleaners, injectors, buckets, sinks, and just about any other area where an overabundance of foam may cause issues. Just a half ounce of Foam Break into a pickup or recovery tank is all you need to control or eliminate excess troublesome foam.